Today we're showing you how to resize your new Grade 2 titanium band from Ultra Supply. Included in the box is a link to the video you're watching now, along with a printed instruction manual. Now take the bracelet out of the box and you'll notice a little bag with additional accessories you will need. There's also the Resize tool included in the box. First, take the Resize tool and open it up by turning the knob counterclockwise. Next, turn the bracelet over and you'll notice the links with an arrow. These links are removable and the arrow points in the direction to push the pin out. Line up the tool with the hole for the pin and spin the knob clockwise to push the pin out from the band. Now repeat removing more links as necessary. You can also remove half links for a more precise fit. For reassembly, take a look at the pin and make sure to insert it the way it came out. The top of the pin is open while the bottom is rounded. Next, find the accessory bag and take out the cylinder cap. This goes on top and covers the long pin on the tool. Now line up the cylinder cap and use the tool to push in the pin fully. Finally, to install the band on your watch, open up the clasp and slide in the adapter on one side partially. Then on the other side, slide in the adapter halfway. Now push both sides in at the same time. Make sure everything is all secure and test for fitment. If you have any issues or concerns with your bracelet, contact us by email or through our website.